Yes. Watch the end of this video for the #1 way to win at Keno. Casinos don't want you to know the Vegas secret hack. Okay, let's start with the #3 way to win at Keno. Yes, another Keno secret. These AI 4-spot numbers work. Try it with a nickel, quarter, or dollar. Your choice. Next.
Yes, next. Change the bet often. Changing the value and amount of the bet drives the Keno machine algorithm crazy. Next, let's go on to the second way to win at Keno.
Yes, 13 winners. In less than 3 hours. Can you beat 13 winners in one day? Comment below when you hit a jackpot. Subscribe and beat the Keno machine algorithm.
Consistency. It's the key. These 4 AI numbers hit 13 times in 3 hours. I challenge you to play these Keno numbers next. Did they work? Tell me below. Now, the #1 way to win at Keno. Next. The secret hack? Mix AI logic with your lucky numbers. It's the ultimate Keno combo. Want more Vegas secrets? Smash that subscribe button now so you never miss a win. Let's get those Keno spots. Beginners. Yes, beginners watch another video. These 2 videos will have more free Keno numbers, free AI strategies, and current AI Keno tips and tricks. Thank you and good luck.